morning, folks. Beautiful morning, 13th of October, Sunday. We are out on the road again. This time it's a different group, and we are here at a new location. It's called Tarrytown. Behind me, that's the Atlantic Bridge, and that's the Hudson River link. And we got some new members. I'll introduce you to them. Stay tuned. Hey, back again. Behind me, that's the Tarrytown Sleepy Hollow Lighthouse. It's most probably the same Sleepy Hollow that we hear about on the movies, haunted movies and stuff. It's a beautiful place. I'm surprised. And in the distant mountains, I can see the fall colors are already there. See me, I'm wearing the fall colors too. So yeah, it's nice. So let's introduce you to our team members. All right guys, time for the introduction. We got a new member here. That's Nambala?
Naim.
That's Naim. That's Tarin. And
Shanto.
the laughing bundle. Right? Okay, let's head out to the lighthouse. Tarrytown Lighthouse. Check. Alright folks, we're headed out to Vermont right now. Kota jete si Ambra? Nah, it's not New Hampshire. Probably we will be touching New Hampshire, but right now we're headed to Mount Equinox Skyline Drive. There was one member missing, my cousin Alex. So we're here for the first break of the whole trip. Oh my God, a break with a view. America runs on sunshine. That's what they say. We're stopping for a second break for some refreshments, and I haven't seen it so far, but take a look. Probably this is a cow farm. What a view. Feels like back home again. Really don't know where I am right now. Phone's not working, so I can't even pinpoint the location. It's a beautiful place. Nice place to be in. Right. Bye bye guys. Until next time. Small stoppage here. That view, I would die for that view. We're still on the highway. Here at Mount Equinox, we're going for the Skyline drive. Everyone say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. All right. Right now, we are on top of Mount Equinox, Skyline Drive. One beautiful view. Let's check out the further views. On top of Mount Equinox, my complete piece. I'm gonna show you the view of this place. They're busy with the selfie thing. Yeah. That's what we are here for. Have fun. Our tour and visit for Mount Equinox summit is almost done. We're just gonna take a little hike inside the woods here, the trailway. Just give you a short trip over here. Let's go find out. Alex with his new cat. Fall Foliage 2019. Currently we're busy with the photo sessions for our portraits. Models everywhere. Lovely colors on these trees.